The trunk too.
Me.
Enjoy.
This how we coming, my nigga. This how we coming. Feel me? This how we coming, baby. Big boy joints, man. Come on, man. What's my name? Shmula gang, Shmula gang. Fucking the whole block up.
Yeah. Captain and Milk, salute America. Salute America, baby.
Nice hand. Look at his face. He got built some bullshit. Start running away from this one, man. Come on, bro. You ready, nigga? You putting a seatbelt on or not yet? Yeah, you not even paying attention. Alright, man. American dogfight. Let my neighbors know what it is, you heard? I'ma shut the block down. I let my neighbors have some fun for a little bit.
Look, and this is the second round too, big boys. Stop it. Look, ooh, ooh, ooh. More, look.
We are not playing around.
Right here. Oh my God.
Warning shot. Warning shot. Stop it.
Got the airplanes, the novelties. That's why I don't like them, nigga. The fucking incense is way better, bro. This is like 3 of them fly off.
Oh!
Them shits is cold, I ain't gonna lie.
This is dry ice.
Them bitches,
Careful,
look.
Anthony.
Dry ice.
Ah! That's real dry ice?
Well, just let it lead it. I didn't expect to like.
Yo, that's real dry. Yo, hold on, yo.
Look,
I want one.
it's the Dominican shit.
$8. I'm doing a special
How much
today.
are
Look, que clase hookah,
They
gratis
usually
hookah.
charge
Mira,
for
look.
the top. I'm doing
If you
special.
buy one of these, you get a gratis hookah. Look, hookah gratis.
If I cover this.
Oh, it's another pop. Look.
Don't do this with dry ice, alright? Don't do that with dry ice.
Back in the day, nigga, I was in all.
Look.
Nah, I'm gonna talk to this. Now, I haven't talked to him yet. I haven't. No.
I hear stories, nigga.
It's not.
No fuse, brother.
Yes, it is. It's right here, nigga.
Oh, yeah.
It's dummy proof.
Yo.
There you go. Battle of Saratoga. Little niggas. Look, that's a little big boys. Warning shots. Letting Selden, New York know we outside tonight. Woo! Whoa! No, Jordan, you gotta put your hand over it. Y'all niggas trying to do it for the gram, bro. Like, light them shits.
Yo, hold on.
These fake ass lights. Go ahead. I told you, look, the incense is gonna work better, bro. We got the whistlers and we got 3 motors. Go ahead, baby, let's get it. Jordan, go ahead. Festivities. You know.
Outside, you want me to be outside? I got you to get the money, bro. Oh, I want is 20%. I'm not even greedy, bro.
You want to take a picture?
Lit up the big boy. I ain't show y'all. I'm drunk. I don't even know if I show y'all, but lit up the big boy. My son's like, yo, bro, chill. We got trunk full. We got more inside. Chill. Neighbors, you know, they white. They rich out here, so you know they going off early. But we gotta wait. We got some. We got the other shit inside. You know, we got like 100 shells. Literally 100 shells. Like 200-300 grand cakes. 500 grand cakes. We acting courageous out here. Yeah. We got the opening show right there with two mortars and 2 mortars, 4 mortars. He don't want no more noise. Let's go. Let's get it. Come on, go ahead, Memo. Get it. One ain't go. Silver and gold.
Y'all remember? Tattoo up on the other side.
The version. My son got the
Hold on, let
the
them
2
show.
twisters.
You like
Go
it?
ahead. Light it. Ay. Oh. Where you at, neighbor? Oh. Go ahead, Memo. Oh. Look, you got all the neighbors outside looking. Look, you got the neighbors outside looking. What do you mean that's it? We not broke. Nigga, I've been trapping all year, bitch. My drink and my two-step.
Making alarms
Drink
go
and my
off.
two-step. My drink and my two-step. It's on. Loading up the canisters. They ain't play no games. They ain't play no fucking games. Whoa. After this one's done. Yo, go ahead, Jordan, whenever you're ready. I know I got. God damn, I got death. Look, got my little niggas, got my little. Yo. You hear that shit? Woo! We still going. Come on, man. Still going. You hear that?